So a lot of you asked me about my 4x4 DIY grass wall. So I thought that I would go back to the 99-cent store and grab some more panels and show you guys how I made this. So this is constructed of 16 square grass panels that I tied with twine. And then the same twine I have like strung across. I saw this on Pinterest and it was just like cute, super cute. But then when I went to go buy one, the wall itself was kind of expensive. So I was like, let me put on my DIY hat and see what I can do. So I'm gonna show you guys how I made this wall. Okay guys, so what you're gonna need to make this grass wall is a grass panel, well 16 grass panels to be exact, scissors, and then twine or rope, whatever you have. I'm just using this to tie these panels together. So the way that I am making my grass wall is I'm starting by tying 2 panels together at a time. So I have just taken the rope and tied it here at the top, tied it here at the bottom. So once you're done, you should have 8 of these. And so when I come back, I will show you what we're gonna do with the 8 panels that we've made. Okay guys, so now I've put my wall together. Well, not completely. I just put those 2 panels in place. So this is, like I said, 4 panels long, 4 panels wide. So just put each panel together until you get 4 rows of 4, just like this. And now I'm gonna go in and tie the panels together. That makes sense? Hope it does. So now that we have tied our panels together, you should have 4 big panels. And all we're gonna do literally is take these 2 edges and tie them together like that. Take these 2 edges and tie them together. Take these 2 edges, tie them together, tie them together. So 4 little strings, and then I'll show you guys what we're looking like. So after you've tied your edges together, you should still be able to pull apart your middle. So take some cord and tie your middle pieces together just like that. And that will complete your grass wall. So after you tie all your middles together, that's it. You're done. I'm gonna flip it over so you guys can see. DIY grass wall for under $20.